My name is Charles Stanton. I received my CFA charter in 2019. Professionally, I've spent my entire career in finance and real estate, primarily appraising privately held businesses and managing commercial real estate. I'm actively involved with my local CFA society, and when I speak with CFA candidates, they're always asking, what's the best way to study? How should they allocate their time, and so on? These are really important questions to consider. When I was studying for the exam, I wanted two things. One, to learn the curriculum, and then two was to just pass the exams as efficiently as possible. Now, first and foremost, I relied on the CFA curriculum because I knew that is where the exam questions were coming from. However, I needed additional resources to help me efficiently study and work through the challenges of the different exam formats between level 1 and level 2 and level 3. I knew that the prep books just summarized the readings, which I wouldn't be enough to really succeed at level 3. Fortunately, I used Nathan Ronen's on-demand lectures to pass level 2, and I knew he had the right tools to pass level 3. So when candidates ask how to study, I tell them the three resources that helped me pass the exam, which first was the CFA curriculum, second was Nathan's on-demand video lectures and essay webinar, and third were the practice exams. You got to do at least 10 of them. So Nathan's on-demand video lectures are a game changer. He's on screen the whole time, working through the problems with you and helping frame the content so that you aren't just memorizing, but you're actually comprehending the information so you can recall it on exam day. There's just too much information to try and memorize all of it. Nathan explains the concepts thoroughly and then applies it to the essays. And watching Nathan go over tons of essays and showing me how he would answer each essay as if he were a candidate and why he would lose points is golden. Not only will he show you how to do the essay, but he'll point out common mistakes made by candidates and language the CFA uses that may confuse you on test day. So the approach that Nathan uses for his online videos gave me a ton of confidence I needed on exam day. Now for level 3, I took Nathan's one-day essay writing webinar, which may be the single greatest test prep you can find for level 3. And the reason why is because Nathan makes you take everything you learn from his videos and apply it to 20 essays. It was difficult. It was very tiring. I felt like it was test day, but on steroids. But the best part is Nathan provides constructive feedback on all of your essay answers, which is so valuable. So after his essay webinar, I felt like I was ready for the exam. And if you have any questions for Nathan, he is super accessible. I didn't have to wait for office hours on a Saturday or some time that was convenient for him. I could call, text, or email him and go over my questions one-on-one. So Nathan helped me pass level 2, so I knew I was in good hands when it was time to study for level 3. I would not have done it any differently. And by the way, Nathan, congratulations on 25 years of being in the CFA test prep business. I couldn't have done it without you. Thanks.